Cut and apply velvet HTV to a blanket using Cricut. Step 1. First measure the surface to determine the size of the design you need to make. Step 2. Go to cricutdesignspace, click on the Shapes tool and select a square. Step 3. Unlock the square by clicking on the padlock in the toolbar and resize it. Step 4. Click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section and change the color. Step 5. To pull in design elements, click on the Text tool and type a letter. Step 6. With the letter selected, click on the Font drop-down menu, then search and select a monogram font. Step 7. Zoom out the design so that it fits into the template. Step 8. To add other elements, click on Text and type another text to fill in the monogram. Step 9. Select the second text, click on the Font drop-down menu, then search and select a font that's not monogram. Step 10. Make sure that the letters are in all caps and resize it to fill the monogram gap. Step 11. Adjust the letter spacing from the letter space section in the toolbar. Step 12. Next, select both the text from the Layers panel, click on the Align down arrow button and select Center horizontally. Step 13. Reposition the design if required. Step 14. Click on the Hide icon next to the square in the Layers panel to hide it. Step 15. Select the second text, click on Offset, set the distance and click Apply. Step 16. Click on Make it when you're ready. Step 17. Turn on the mirror in the Prepare screen, then click Continue. Step 18. Click on Browse All Materials, search and select Denim Bonded and click Done. Step 19. Keep the pressure as default. Step 20. Place the velvet HTV face down with the carrier sheet at the bottom on the cutting mat. Step 21. Smooth it down using a brayer. Step 22. Place the cutting mat on your Cricut machine, then press the up-down arrow button to load the mat. Step 23. Then press the blinking C button to start cutting. Step 24. While it's cutting, turn on the heat press and set it to 310. Step 25. Once it's done cutting, remove the mat, flip it over and peel it away from the velvet HTV. Step 26. Trim off the excess material and weed out the design. Step 27. Place the blanket onto the surface, slide the heat mat underneath and smooth out the blanket. Step 28. Line up and place the design on the surface, then press the heat press for 10 seconds. Step 29. Place the Teflon sheet on top, then press the heat press for another 15 seconds. Step 30. Remove the Teflon sheet and let it cool for a minute. Step 31. Carefully peel off the carrier sheet and it's done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.